Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix print spooler stops when printing Word documents in Windows 11. First method is change services settings. Second method is repair Microsoft Office. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.